Hi, my name is Sylvia Grant, and I'm interested in the recruitment business based on administrative, education and consultancy skills. I've taken the plunge now. I've put it off for a long time, but I feel the time is right now to try and go ahead and progress with the business. So I've had a training session, a one-to-one with Joe Davis this morning, and it's given me the incentive to go ahead, and I know I can do this. Personally, my goals right now is to clear debts I have. Once I've done that, I would then focus on helping out my family. I have, various family members who would benefit from some financial assistance, and I hope to be in a position to be able to do that for them in sometime soon. Part of the training this morning with Joe, Joe actually contacted a client and a candidate who it was going to match a vacancy that he selected, and I was quite impressed with how smoothly the conversations with both client and candidates were, and I'm hoping to be able to pick up the skills that Joe uses, the skills that he has shown me this morning, to be able to do that for my business with ease. I know, realistically speaking, I know that there will be at some stage I may not get to where I want to be, but I'm going to continue because, if another human can do it, I can do it too. So going forward, my personal goals for the future is that I want to be working for myself. I want to be in charge of my own business. I've had years of going out there and working for other employers. I don't want to do that anymore. I want to pick and choose when I want to work. And working for an employer, you can't do that. So I'm determined to put every effort into my business so that I can pick and choose when I work. And further forward, I'm hoping that I will be able to do some business abroad as well. That's in the far future, but I'm not going to discount that. I just want to be able to be free to do what I want for me and for my family.